Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this Audi A3 2-litre diesel SE Technic 5-door hatchback. Integrated satellite navigation, £20 road tax to tax this car. I've actually driven this car myself. It drives beautifully well, plenty of power and great fuel economy. Parking sensors all around the back to aid you in all your reverse parking needs. New exhaust there on the back. Inside, again, really well taken care of, and absolute credit to the one former keeper on this car. It's got just over 60,000 miles on the clock. Isofix child seat anchor points in the back, a 12-volt power supply. You've got nav, media, telephone and media systems. It all comes out of that slot, and as you can see, it tucks itself neatly away. Air conditioning and dual zone climate control, cruise control and speed limiter, menu function controls and volume controls, including audio vision and voice command. Power to all four windows, electronic adjustment of door mirrors. They are all also heated, so perfect for driving in winter weather. They quickly demist. So absolutely fantastic car. Please come along and see it. It will be worth your while and the travel, because this car is an absolutely stunning example. There's no marks on any of the alloys, and as you can see, even the front end virtually unmarked. Also been prepared by main dealer technicians, and of course you've got Perry's award-winning aftercare and customer service. So thanks very much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.